Hello everyone, welcome back to AWS and Terraform tutorial. In today's tutorial, we are going to create a EC2 instance and attaching one EBS volume to that particular EC2 instance. So you can see that these are the diagram. I have one EC2 instance and one EC2 instance, and for that one EBS volume is been already attached. Okay, in a particular availability zone. Now I am creating one more additional uh, EBS volume and attaching to existing EC2 instance. So here are the steps we are going to follow. First step, we are going to create EC2 instance first. This is the one. Then step second, we are going to create EBS volume. Okay. And step three, we are going to attach same additional EBS volume to the EC2 instance. So this kind of setup we are going to design and we are going to perform on our EBS our account. So here I have account. I have login with my existing account. So you can see I'm login with the EC2 instance. I want to show you I don't have any EC2 instance running, neither EC2 instance and nor the volume. You can see here I don't have any EC2 instance. Now just scroll down and you can see EBS, Elastic Block Storage. So here it is a volume. I don't have any volume is running. So we will go and create the EC2 instance first. We already familiar with this process, but still we are going to create from the scratch. So I have searched this resource as a AWS volume attachment. So in this article, all configuration is there. So first of all, we will go and create a EC2 instance. So here I have taken the resource code EC2 instance code copy, and I'm going to add in the okay my main configuration file. So here in the main configuration, I don't have anything. Provider details I have already added. If you are not added, you can go and you can take from here. Okay, I'll do once again. Okay, let me add here. Okay, I have added. So let's save it. And configuration part I have added here also resource one. So this resource we are going to create EC2 instance. So I'll do here resource AWS instance, and common name I am going to set as a site website. I am going to set a website, and here I am going to name as a gamer. So this is my EC2 instance name, and this is the resource configuration. So here let's update the AMI image. So first of all, you need to go back to again EC2 instance here. Why I'm going to create from scratch and showing I'll complete once I end this lab. I will show you why I create a EC2 instance from scratch and then attach the EBS volume. So I have taken this volume, this AMI image. So I have already existing the variable, so I am going to add only in the variable part. Okay, and we'll refer this variable in a main file. So here you can just refer where or so first is variable var is the prefix, then that what is the variable name is you have refer. So here it is the OS is the variable name. So I am going to refer here. And for this one instance, so you can refer as a var is the prefix, then size. So this is the two we are going to refer. Ability zone also you can create, but let's keep the same, and you can update also. You can create AZ and update also. That is fine. That is not an issue. Uh, okay, let me first part we have done. Let's save this configuration. Go to the file, save it, and now uh, go to terminal, then new terminal. So I have already set up that one authentication part also. I will go from the scratch again. AWS setup. So this key, access key, secret access key region I already set up. So here you can see this is something different, so you need to update east. East one. So I'm going to set up this one. Okay, and enter and then enter. So authentication is done. So let's save it again and run Terraform plan. So let's wait for the output. What is the we'll see the what kind of resource is getting created. So this is a T2 micro instance type. So here EC2 instance getting created. This is the image has been taken and availability zone is also is been uh, tagged. Okay, so let's go and create this resource now. What command we are going to, so here Terraform apply, we are going to apply Terraform that dash auto dash approve. Okay, so here let's wait for the result. I have given a gamer name for our EC2 instance. So one to add, now it is creating the this EC2 instance website. This is a common name, a reference name you can say. Let's wait guys. Okay, meanwhile we can jump to EC2 instance on management console. So let's wait. So see our T2 micro EC2 instance is created in selected availability zone. So you can see this here, and let's jump to the volume part, EBS volume pad. So see guys, this is the point I want to show you. Here right now I have only created a, you can see apply configuration resource one, which is only EC2 instance I have created, but parallelly EBS volume also is created. You can see here. So you can see this, and what is the type? GP general purpose 3, third generation. Uh, IOPS throughput is updated, snapshot is updated, creation time is ability zone is also same, and you can see it is attached to this EC2 instance. Okay, you can see this device name also is there attached. Okay, and it is not encrypted. Okay, so but name is not there. That is, let's fine. So now our first part is done. This one EC2 instance is created, and this first volume is also is created parallelly with the help of EC2 instance in a same ability zone. Now we will go and create a step 2. We will go with the step 2, create EBC volume. So let's back to our article. Now we will create a EBC volume first. So here it is the resource code. I'm going to copy this one and going to add in the my main configuration file. So I'm going to add a size and change the size to 40. Okay, you can as per documentation you can refer the correct site, or you can refer one more uh, EBS volume article. So here size is 40. I am going to refer same one, and I am going to add this tag also. I want to give the name also for this one. So I'm going to add a tag here. So this is I'm giving a name for new EBS. Okay, and here I'm going to give the name storage EBS or EBS storage. You can EBS. This is the name I have given. And just verify the ability zone. Here you can create a variable part and call that refer the variable in here also. But I want to be specific here. I don't want to just confuse anything. So now we are going to create EBS volume. This is the reference name and this is the tag I have given. So let's save first and now create a new EBS volume. Now here I specifically added a resource as the EBS. So let's Terraform plan, just enter this one and let's see what is the output. So it is refreshed. Okay, now it says plan one to add. Okay, now just scroll up. What is this creating? Resource EBS volume, and this is the volume. ARN is not known after apply. Ability zone. Okay, it is getting tagged. Size is also tagged, and name is also tagged. Okay, so let's apply the Terraform apply dash auto dash approve. So I'm going to create this resource EBS. So we can see now we have a 2 EBS volume. It's great. So here in a first case also when I create a EC2 instance, that time also I did not specify type. Neither I specified here also. I just created EBS volume. I did not specify the type. Which type? Either we are going to create a GP3, GP2 or sorry, I01, I02. We are not defining anything. I'm just added a send resource as the EBS volume. That's it. Let's see now which EBS volume is get created. So when EC2 instance was created, that time at that time volume type was GP3, and now when I created separately, that time it shows GP2. So the default time is, you can see default one is GP3. Okay. Now here also we haven't defined the throughput for a new EBS volume. You can see the same ability zone is tagged, and this was the first EBS volume. It was attached to the EC2 instance, and this is the uh, device, and it is tagged with the root resource. So we need to define the another one. Okay, let's see. Okay, so now we have created a separate EBS, and you can see the size which I defined, it is 40 GB GIB. Okay, and it is available now. Okay, everything is correct. And now the last step. So here we have created EBS volume 2. Now we are in the last step. Attach EBS volume to the EC2. So we need to attach this EBS to, let me take a pin. Yeah. So now we are going to attach this EBS volume to this one. Okay. Here we are going to attach. So let's focus on our last part. So again go to that article. So here it is the resource for AWS volume attachment. So we are going to refer this resource syntax, and we are going to add in the our main file. Let me clear, just scroll down this one, and our third resource we are going to create. Now I want to be this, I'm assigning different name, EBS dash append. I'm going to give this append name. You can keep the same, that is also fine, no issues. Now okay, here device name is not optional. This is a required. We need to define the device name anyhow. This is a required condition. Okay, and this is a EV means device, and here we are going to keep this SDH. So there are two types in the uh, virtualization method in Linux, and this is based on the operating system also. There are some concepts, but we are keeping the same because when EC2 instance created, parallelly EBS volume is created, and that first EBS volume is attached. You can see here is attached with different device. Here you can see dev slash xvda. This is been already used for root value. So we are not going to use this one now. We have to use the another one. So I am keeping the same one. You don't need to be changed here. So let's keep the same. Now let's focus on this volume ID and instance ID. Okay. So you can see here volume. So here we already created EBS volume in this one. So let me show you 1 minute. Okay. So you can see EBS volume dash example. So here is also AWS underscore EBS underscore volume dash new EBS. So same name we have to refer here. Okay, this one. And the second last one, let me take another. So AWS underscore EC2 instance dot web. So this one, let me go up little. This is very important one actually. Okay, let me delete once. So this AWS underscore EC2 instance, we are going to calling from here, this one. And for EBS volume, this AWS underscore EBS underscore volume dash if. So this one we are calling from here. We are referring these names, and this EBS volume and this EC2 instance we are going to refer in this attachment part. Okay, let's focus on that now. So what need to be modified here? So in the volume part, so here it is a volume. So this name we need to update. New EBS. So here it is a new EBS. And for AWS underscore EC2 instance, here we need to be added this one, website. So this reference name we need to update. Okay. Let's save this code. That's it. Only that information we are going to update. Let's save. We have saved the code now. Let's You can validate code also. That is also fine. Let me validate first. This is the last step, guys. Just be patient. So see, uh, our code is valid. Let's focus on now a Terraform plan. Let's execute Terraform plan, and we'll create a third resource, which is AWS volume attachment. This is our third resource. It will, yeah, okay. It is been showing the, see, it been configuration is taken. Okay. And lastly, we will apply Terraform apply dash auto dash approve. So, okay. So this is the last um, comment we are going to apply, and let's see the result. So here it is. First, it will create this AWS volume attachment resource, and then it will append, or it will attach. So let's wait few more seconds. Okay, apply is complete. Resource one is added. Let's jump to the earlier it was not. You can see here attached resource is none. Let's go and refresh, or you can refresh from here. So see guys, I have attached the same uh, to that inch our EC2 instance. This new EBS volume I have attached to our existing EC2 instance which we created here. You can see. So now, as per our lab, we have attached a 2 EBS volume. Even okay, I will tell you one thing. If you want to increase the count here, you can increase the count here and define a 2. If you want to attach a 2 EBS volume, just define a 2. But here name should be very unique. Like you need to add a indexing part. So you need to cover that indexing count dot index here. So here you need to cover that indexing part. So this is the one part you need to focus. But you can create a more index sorry more EBS volume and then attach also. That is also correct way. So yeah, that's it one guys. I think this is the lab which we are focusing and we attached a 2 EBS volume for one EC2 instance. If you have any doubt guys, please comment on this video. I will help you. And if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.